Alright, welcome back dear students. Let's start this class with question number 5. Your question says, on what sum of money will compound interest for 2 years at 5% per annum amounts to rupees this much? On what principle? So we don't know the principle. So let the sum be P. In how many years? In 2 years at the rate of 5%. Okay. The compound interest what we get is 768.75. Read the question properly. On what sum of money the compound interest for 2 years will be this much? On what sum of money means the principle. Okay, so these are the things known to us. We know amount equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. We have done this formula this morning only. Okay, amount keep it as amount, P keep it as P. Within the bracket 1 plus R means 5. So 5 by 100 whole to the power n means 2 whole to the power 2. You can cancel this out. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are. So once you take the LCM, 20 plus 1 will be 21 by 20 whole to the power 2. Now 21 by, see, this is 21 square. So 21 square is 441. 20 square is 400 into P. So this is the amount that we are getting. Okay, amount equals to this. But the question is asking you find the principal. Okay. Another thing, we have used this, we have used this, we have not used this. Okay, so now we'll be making the use of this. What we know is amount equals to P plus I. We know amount equals to P plus I. Amount is this much, put the value. P is P, I will put this value later. Okay, so this equation what we get. Now what you'll do is you'll bring your P to the left hand side. It becomes minus P. And you can take P common. So the moment you take P common, within the bracket, it will be 441 by 400 minus 1, which is equals to I. So I equals to this, 768.75, this I, which is the interest, compound interest. Okay. Do the calculation. LCM is 400. 441 minus 400 divided by 400 is equals to this interest. 441 minus 400 will be 41. 41 by 400 into this is what we are getting. After this, P is equals to 41 by 400. This is 76875 divided by 00. 2 decimal place. 00 gets cancel out. You can please cancel 41 and 76875. It will be 1875 times. You can calculate. 41 ones are 41, 1875 times. You calculate yourself. So P is equals to 4 into 1875. And when you do this, the product that you'll be getting is rupees 7500. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So hence, what is the principle? The principle is 7500. Please pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, next question is question number 6 out here. What we need to find is, again, we need to find the principle. We need to find the principle where the compound interest for 3 years amounts to rupees this. Compound interest for 3 years is 1655 at the rate of 10%. We need to find the principle. Again, use the same formula. Amount equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Amount equals to P into 1 plus R is 10 by 100 whole to the power 3. 0 gone. So amount equals to 11, isn't it? So P into 11 by 10 whole to the power 3. So this is my amount. Let's keep it as it is. Again, what I know, amount is what? Amount is principal plus interest, which is equals to this. Okay, you can write down again, amount equals to P plus I. Okay, but what is our amount? Our amount is P into 11 by 10 whole cube. Okay, which is equals to P plus I. Bring your P left hand side, take common. So within the bracket you will be getting 11 by 10 whole cube minus 1, which is equals to interest I. I hope you are clear with this, boys. Okay, now here if you do 11 whole cube is 1331. 10 whole cube is 1000 minus 1, which is equals to interest. What is my interest? 1655. Actually it's a similar question. Okay, So principal, if you calculate 1331 minus 1000, this will be 331 divided by 1000, which is equals to 1655. And I think so this is 5 times. 331 into 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 1, 5 3 is 15, 16. Yes, it is 5 times. So 331 1 times into 5 times. So when you cross multiply, 5 into 1000 will be rupees 5000. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, let's move ahead with question number 7. Your question number 7 says, okay, what principal will amount to rupees this? What principal means what will be the value of P? What value of P will amount to rupees this in 2 years? If for first year the rate is 10%, second year the rate is 12% per annum. Okay, so what principal? So again I need to find P. For that I'm using the formula amount equals to P 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. You know everything out here. Amount you know, R1 you know, R2 you know. You need to find the value of P. So put the value P 1 plus 10 by 100 into 12 by 100. Cancel it out. You'll be getting 9856 is equals to P 11 by 10 into 28 by 25. Now from here, what is the value of P? The value of P will be this into denominator divided by the numerator, which is this. Here I can cancel 28 and 9856. I'm doing it directly, boys. You can do it in your own way. 28 ones are 28 352 times is your 9856. Now here I can cancel 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33, and 22 is the remainder, 11 twos are 22. So hence you will be getting, which means this out here 11 ones are 11 32 times. So which means here we will be getting 320 into 25. And if you multiply 320 into 25, the principal you'll get is 8000. Okay, so not difficult at all. This formula is important. Please do remember this formula and put the values and calculate. Pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, next sum is question number 8. Your question says, what sum of money, question says, on a certain sum of money, the compound interest for 2 years amounts to rupees this. On a certain sum of money, which means we don't know the sum. On a certain sum of money and some amount of money, the compound interest for 2 years will be this much. The compound interest for 2 years will be this much, where the rate of interest are 10% and 15% respectively. We need to find the value of P. I hope you are clear. We don't know P, but we know compound interest for 2 years, rates are this. So accordingly, use the formula for amount. When you use the formula for amount, R1 10%, R2 15%. So you put the value 0 0 cancel out. So P into 11 by 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 20s are 100. So 20 plus 3 is 23 by 20, which means amount is equals to P 11 into 23 is 253 divided by 10 into 20 is 200. So this is the amount, but we know the compound interest, isn't it? Again, I know amount equals to P plus I. So amount is 253P by 200. Bring this side, which is equals to interest 4240. I hope you're getting now. So take P common, you'll get 253 minus 200 minus 1 is equals to 4240. So therefore here it is 253 minus 200 divided by 200, which is equals to 4240, and therefore this is P into 53 divided by 200 is equals to 4240. So therefore P is equals to 424. Now 4240, I want to write it as 424 into 10 into 200 cross multiplication divided by 53, and 53 into 8 times, I believe 53 into 8, 8 3s are 24, 2 5 8s are 40, 41, 42. So hence it is 8 times, 53 1s are 53 8s are. So principal will be, this is 80, so 8 into 2 is 16 and 3 zeros, so rupees 16,000 will be the principal. I hope this is clear to you, boys. The calculation you can do yourself. The only thing to understand out here is this portion and this portion, and as well as this portion. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's move ahead with question number 9. Now from question number 9, we will be asked to find the rates. Till question number 8, we were finding principal. 1, 2, 3, question number 1, 2, 3, we were asked to find amount, compound interest. 4, 5, 6, 7 onwards, we were asked to find the principal. Now 9, 10, 11, 12 onwards, we'll be asked to find the rate, we'll be asked to find the years, so on respectively. Okay, so question number 9 says find the rate when the principal is 6,000, amount is this in 2 years. Okay, so using the same formula, amount equals to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. What is the amount? 6615. What is the principal? 6,000 into 1 plus R is what we need to find, and whole to the power n means 2. Now what to do? Drop this 6,000 out here. 6615 divided by 6,000, okay, which is equals to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. This much is clear to everyone. Now I can cancel this with 5. I can cancel this with 5. Okay, 5 12s are 60, 0 0. Okay, 5 13s are 65. 5 13s are 65, so remainder is 11. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 15. 5 3s are 15. This much is clear to us. We can again cancel this with 3, I guess. 3 4s are 12, 0 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12, remainder is 12. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. So hence what we are getting here boys is, we are getting this as 441 divided by 400 is equals to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Okay, but 441 and 400, both of them are perfect square numbers, because we know 441 is 21 and 400 is 20 square. 21 square this, 20 square this. So therefore on both the sides the powers are equal. Sorry, on both the sides, this is 2, right? This is 2, yeah, this is 2. On both the sides, this is 2. On both the sides, this is 2, this is 2, the power is 2. On both the sides, the powers are equal. So if the powers are equal, then the bases are also equal. So therefore 21 by 20 is equals to 1 plus R by 100. And from this, we can get the value of R rate. Okay, so 21 by 20 minus 1 equals to R by 100. So therefore if you take the LCM, this will be 21 minus 20 divided by 20 is equals to R by 100. This means, this again means 1 by 20 is equals to R by 100. 0 0 gone, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So if we cross multiply, R will be 5%. I hope you are clear with this. Pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, the next sum, or the last sum for today's class, is question number 10. The question says, at what rate % compound interest does a sum of money becomes 144 times itself? Okay, at what rate of interest does a sum of money becomes 144 times itself? So sum of money becomes 144 times itself means the amount is 1.44 into P. Okay, at what rate % compound interest does a sum of money becomes 1.44 times itself? So itself means amount will be 1.44 into P. Here also we need to find rate. N equals to 2 years, R we need to find. So I know amount equals to this formula, and according to the question, amount equals to 1.44 P, which is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. On both the sides, P and P gets cancelled out. 1.44 means 144 by 100, which equals to 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. Again, 144 is perfect square, 100 is perfect square, so 12 by 10 whole square which is equals to 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 2. On both the sides the powers are equal, so therefore the bases are also equal. 12 by 10 equals to 1 plus r by 100. So therefore I can bring this side 1. Therefore 12 by 10 minus 1 equals to r by 100. If you subtract, take the LCM. 12 minus 10 is 2 by 10, which is equals to r by 100. 0 gets cancelled out, so therefore r equals to 10 into 2 is 20%. Am I clear? So this was your question number 10. Your homework, as I've mentioned before also in your Google class, will be question number 11, question number 12. So complete all these sums from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 and submit the same by tomorrow. Thank you and bye-bye.